We're gonna promo brands for free. Kona Wave.
No. Hold on. Kona Big Wave. Liquid Aloha.
Oh, it is Big Wave.
For those of you who want to say hello
Let me explain something. Yeah,
with a smile.
that's pretty good. Kona Big Wave. Liquid Aloha, if you will. Let me explain something to you. It's nice, it's easy, it's smooth. It's sunshine in a can. Ain't nothing but goodness in here. Get it nice and cold. Fill a cooler up with them. You reach in, you're going to pull out money every time.
Kona Big Wave. 16 ounces of how we say hello in Hawaii.
You're trying to do short and sweet. Nah, I'm giving you bars, son.
No,
These
wait,
is bars.
hold on.
Nah, you went twice. I'm going again. Kona Big Wave. Liquid Aloha. Let me tell you something about what's inside this can. You may not believe in magic right now, but let me tell you something. Your mouth will. No pause. Press play on that.
God.
You want to keep going? You think you got another one?
Listen, I got no.